Okay, guys, exemplar number 3. It says, given that the universe is integers, as a set, sorry, of integers, which includes 1 up to 10, choose and complete the Venn diagrams to show. Let's start with the first one. A equals sets of even numbers and B equals sets of odd numbers less than 8. Let's look at the options. Even numbers and odd numbers, well, they can't overlap and they can't be inside of each other. So they've got to be distinct from each other. Here we go. So these ones are distinct from each other. They don't overlap. And let's put those numbers in there. There's set A, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And here's set B, 1, 3, 5, 7. Remember, 9 doesn't count because it's odd numbers less than 8. So now we need A to be even numbers and B to be even numbers less than 7. So there is a group within a group. And given that the only option where that happens is this one here, this is my universe. Perfect. Next, let's put those answers in. Are even numbers less than 7? Are even numbers all of them? So we've got 8 and 10. Remember, you don't have to write down the 2, 4, 6 as well. And even though I didn't do it for the last one, let's also get the other numbers which are part of our universe, which are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And I suppose I should do the first question as well, which is just the number 9. Now, there's only one thing left. We've got where A set is even numbers and B set is square numbers. Here in A are the things which are even numbers, but you can see that I've put the number 4 in the middle because I know that 2 times 2 is 4, so it is a square number. We've got 4 in the middle because it's a square number, and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 in A. And I guess then we're going to also have to have 9, which is not an even number, but it is a square number. Just realised I forgot to add the fancy highlighter pen there. And now we need to do the rest of the universe, which are the numbers 1, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, hope that helped. Take care. Bye-bye.